5 useful tips when working from home for the first time. The transition from office to home can be challenging. We're here to help, guide, and encourage you with an open line of communication every step of the way. Follow these 5 simple tips and you'll be on your way to set up an awesome, productive workspace in no time. Create a dedicated work area. Whether it's a desk or balcony, create a space to associate with work and disassociate from home. Add office elements to your space. Sit near a window or get a plant and a good lamp. We're more productive in bright, green environments. Over-communicate. List daily tasks each morning. Sync often and update progress, especially if a task takes longer than expected. Send end-of-day summaries. Ask again. It's not only okay to ask for clarification, but it's also encouraged. In addition, create channels of communication, email, Slack, video conferencing, and ensure that you have the technology to support it, Wi-Fi and camera. Prevent distractions. Set guidelines for yourself and cohabitants, family and roommate for when interruptions are allowed. Wear headphones with or without music. Avoid taking a break from technology with technology. Schedule meaningful breaks. Planned breaks increase focus and reduce anxiety. Step out for lunch, even if it's to the room next door. Get physical. Stand up, stretch, breathe in the fresh air. Dress for success. Get out of pajamas and into work clothes, even if it's your nice t-shirt and sneakers. This mentally prepares you to get into the work zone. By implementing these tips right from the get-go, you're creating a positive and productive work environment that benefits you and your colleagues. Thank you for watching. Please share this with your friends. Subscribe for more tips.